Can I use an Apple gift card instead of a credit card for App Store purchases?
Hello everyone. Today we'll be addressing a common query among Apple users. Can you use an Apple gift card instead of a credit card for App Store purchases? Stick around to learn how you can easily navigate through your purchases using Apple gift cards.
Can I use an Apple gift card for App Store purchases?
The short answer is yes, absolutely. An Apple gift card can indeed be used instead of a credit card for making purchases on the App Store. You can use it to buy apps, games, music, movies, TV shows, books, and more.
How do I redeem an Apple gift card?
Redeeming your Apple gift card is straightforward. Here are the steps. 1. Open the App Store on your Apple device. 2. Scroll to the bottom and tap Redeem. 3. Sign in with your Apple ID if you're not already signed in. 4. You can choose to use the camera to scan the redemption code or enter it manually. 5. After the card is successfully redeemed, the balance gets added to your Apple ID.
How do I use an Apple gift card for purchases?
Once the balance has been added to your Apple ID, it automatically becomes your primary method of payment for any purchases made on the App Store. Your credit card is only charged if there is not enough balance on the gift card to cover the purchase. In conclusion, not only can you use an Apple gift card instead of a credit card for App Store purchases, it's actually quite easy to do so. We hope this guide has cleared up any confusion you might have had about the process. Happy shopping on the App Store with your Apple gift card!